Coco Chanel.
Help yourself.
Coco Chanel, they say love me. They call me Chanel, they say love me. Call me Chanel.
Oh, Aliyah, hapa.
Okay.
Love me. See, you love me.
Oh, this one. The one with the skin or cut it? Ah, wait a moment. Make it like this, so it's...
Oh, I see. I'm gonna take off the cup.
TikTok.
Ah?
Diyan ka tingin.
I'm the biggest big back alive. Don't ask the height.
Can you tidy up your mess, afterwards? I'm going.
Where are you going?
I'm leaving Aliyah alone.
Oh.
I still have my mom with me.
Where is your mom?
In heaven.
Hey, don't say that. It's not a good joke.
After you eat, put that one in the side. I will go on and then brush your teeth, read a book, and then
Hey.
Are you going to work?
hindi magpa-dry lang ako.
Ah.
Same time ay bibilhin kung bibili.
Ay, bukas po sa Elks Court.
Hindi ko naabutan ko alas anong oras.
Pag naabutan mo, papabili ko ng sampalok ng sinigang.
Sinigang alas 8 na eh.
Stop.
Dito mayroon ay wata.
Stop. Stop. I'll pick it up later.
Ay, oo.
Continue being a biggie and eating right in front of you.
Gusto mo ito malaki.
Ay, tama
I
na
don't
to.
care.
Isang ganun. Eh, nakaposto na ako kagabi. Lagay mo lang dyan. Okay lang ako na lang. Pero,
Walis lang ito na-expire yung maluto agad.
wala. Ang nabili ko, ano eh.
But andyan lang.
Sige, sige.
Ayan, hindi ko naman masyad ginagamit.
Kagabi, ginamit ko yung lemon.
Mm. Ang tubig. Pero kung maabutan ko,
Oo, please.